Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about exponents. An exponent tells us how many times the base number is multiplied by itself. It's written in the form a over n, where a is the base, n is the exponent, or the power, which tells us how many times the base is multiplied by itself. For example, in 3 over 4, 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent. This means 3 raised to the power of 4 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. So 3 over 4 is equal to 81. Let's try another example, 2 over 5. This means we multiply 2 by itself 5 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 32. So 2 over 5 is equal to 32. Now let's explore types of exponents. Positive exponents. These tell us how many times the base is multiplied by itself. For example, 4 over 3 means multiplying 4 by itself 3 times. Zero exponent. Any number raised to the power of 0 is always 1. For example, 7 over 0 equals 1. Negative exponent. A negative exponent means we take the reciprocal of the base and raise it to the positive exponent. For example, 3 over negative 2 equals 1 over 3 over 2, which is 1 over 9. Now let's move on to the product of powers rule. When multiplying two powers with the same base, we add the exponents. The rule is a over m times a over n equals a over m plus n. Let's take the example, 2 over 3 times 2 over 2. Since the bases are the same, we add the exponents. 2 over 3 times 2 over 2 equals 2 over 3 plus 2 equals 2 over 5, which equals 32. So 2 over 3 times 2 over 2 equals 2 over 5, which equals 32. Next, we have the power of a power rule. When raising a power to another power, we multiply the exponents. The rule is a over m raised to the power of n equals a over m times n. Let's look at the example. 2 over 3 raised to the power of 2. We multiply the exponents. 2 over 3 raised to the power of 2 equals 2 over 3 times 2 equals 2 over 6, which equals 64. So 2 over 3 raised to the power of 2 equals 2 over 6, which equals 64. Now let's talk about the power of a product rule. When raising a product to a power, we apply the exponent to each factor of the product. The rule is a times b raised to the power of n equals a over n times b over n. For example, 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2. We raise both 2 and 3 to the power of 2, then multiply the results. 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2 equals 2 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals 4 times 9, which equals 36. So 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2 equals 36. Let's now discuss negative exponents. When the exponent is negative, it means we take the reciprocal of the base raised to the positive exponent. For example, 5 over negative 3. This is equal to 5 over negative 3 equals 1 over 5 over 3, which equals 1 over 125. So 5 over negative 3 equals 1 over 125. Now let's talk about fractional exponents. Fractional exponents represent roots. The numerator gives the power and the denominator gives the root. For example, 8 over 1 over 3. This means the cube root of 8, which equals 2. 8 over 1 over 3 equals the cube root of 8 equals 2. So 8 over 1 over 3 equals 2. Let's summarize the rules we've learned today. Positive exponents multiply the base by itself. Zero exponent, any number to the power of 0 is 1. Negative exponent, take the reciprocal of the base raised to the positive exponent. Product of powers rule, add the exponents when multiplying like bases. Power of a power rule, multiply the exponents when raising a power to another power. Power of a product rule, apply the exponent to each factor in the product. Fractional exponents represent roots. By understanding these rules, you can simplify expressions and solve problems much more easily. Keep practicing and experimenting with these rules, and you'll be an exponent expert in no time. Thank you for listening, and I hope this explanation helped you understand exponents better.